decide audience. Whatever you decide for your audience, it may be your students for college, professor, or maybe a CEOs of company, managements, whatever organization you have decided, it automatically reflect to your target audience or depend on the theme and things. So you have to make a list of your audience, as you have to categorize and advertise for things and participate, and how can invite in things to them, and what the things you have to count down and make the advertisement according to their people. So the people are coming to registration on which forms. You can use the Google form to registration, or maybe you have to different softwares, like people can directly register from WhatsApp groups and join the conference by inboxing your Facebook or landing pages from website. As simplify, you just create your poster and drop the Google form link, and you have to create something, invitations who like to invite, and make your payment gateways like EasyPaisa, Jazz, Cash, or if you are arranging international, so you can link with your bank accounts or something, credit card or PayPal or Pioneer. So it depends on there how much you have to create your online conference on paid basis or free. It depends how much value you are adding and how much you're expensive for your speakers or maybe. But in the virtual world, the people are coming to expecting more. So the conference in the audience, you have to decide it for that. That is very important. And everyone expecting more value. So what's your value on conference? You're adding something new learning, or maybe a guest speaker, a motivational speaker, or something entertainment purpose, or maybe like some chief guest will be there on conferences. So you need to schedule all the things so that. Let's discuss with the more benefit and advantage for this thing. Let's move to the next video. Thank you.